Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello friends, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC geography question. In this session, we added a new feature which is related to the prediction for the 2025 Prelims exam. Based on the previous year questions and also based on the current affair, we are guessing that these are the possible questions they may ask for the 2025 Prelims. So please make a note of it. That will be more useful for your upcoming Prelims exam. Let's begin the session. So this question was asked in 2017. It's a simple question. It's about a Mediterranean seas bordering country. So we already discussed about many seas and their bordering countries, and also we gave a mnemonics for it, tricks to learn it. So here another repeated question about a Mediterranean Sea. So when it comes to the Mediterranean Sea is a border of which of the following countries is. So this is the mnemonics for it for the Asian part. So for the Asian part, the mnemonics is Silli, okay, Silsi. So S is for Syria, I is for Israel, and then Lebanon, and then the Cyprus. When it comes to the African part, it is metal. So Morocco, Egypt, Tunisia, Algeria, and Libya. And then the European part, it is Bosnia, Spain, Albania, Slovenia, Turkey, Italy, Montenegro, Monaco, Greece, France, and Croatia. Okay, so based on that, you can easily give the answer for it. So here the answer is actually, it's about Lebanon and then Syria. So the answer is 3 and 4. So this is a simple question. So in the same pattern, what they can ask for the 2025 prelims. We already discussed about many seas, from the Black Sea and then the Red Sea. Okay, so even the Arctic Sea, Arctic Ocean region, we discussed it because articles are actually in the news related to the melting of the ice. So there is a new transportation corridor is going to be opened. So there is a new transportation route is going to be opened, so that even they may ask question related to the countries that is sharing a border in the Arctic Ocean. So in that sense, we discussed many seas, but still some of the seas are there that we need to discuss because it is in a current affair. In that, one of the most important is Sea of Marmara. So about the Sea of Marmara, it is a smaller inland sea located entirely within Turkey. That is the most important one. So it connects the Black Sea to the northeast through the Bosphorus Straits, okay, and then Aegean Sea to the southwest through the Dardanelles Straits. Separates the European and the Asian part of Turkey. So the Sea of Marmara is actually separating the European and then the Asian part of the Turkey, named after Marmara Island, known for its marble deposits. So they may simply ask a question like, they will give the description for a sea. Okay, so it is connected with the Black Sea through the Bosphorus Straits, and also it is connecting with that Aegean Sea through the Dardanelles Straits, and also they may give that Turkey is divided between the Asia and the Europe by the sea. So in that way, they may give the description and they ask for which sea is. So that is also the possible question they may ask. So the Sea of Marmara, it is important, that is in the news. So please make a note of it. Next is about the Black Sea. So when it comes to the Black Sea, it is the large inland sea located between the Eastern Europe and the Western Asia, bordered by the 6 countries. It is Ukraine, Russia, Georgia, Turkey, Bulgaria, and Romania. Okay, so connect to the Sea of Marmara through the Bosphorus Straits. Receives the water from the major rivers like Danube, okay, Dnieper, and then the Meisters River, resulting in a lower salinity than the Mediterranean Sea due to the influx of the waters. Okay, see, normally the salinity factors are controlled by either evaporation or else precipitation or else due to the influx of the river water, or due to the melting of ice. So by the way, the salinity of the ocean or the sea is controlled. Okay, so here it is about influx of the many rivers has a unique characteristics of having the anoxic oxygen depleted water at a greater depth, limiting the marine life in those zones. Okay, so this is all about the Black Sea. In that sense, what are the next one that was in the news? They may ask for this 2025 prelims is about the English Channel. Okay, English Channel and the Straits of Dover. So the Strait of Dover, historically known as Dover Narrow, is a crucial busy strait located at the narrowest part of the English Channel. It separates the England from the continental Europe. It marks the boundary between the English Channel to the southwest and the North Sea to the northeast. The entire strait lies within the territorial water of both United Kingdom and the France. Okay, so this Strait of Dover also in the news, so please make a note of it. There may be any possible question from the Strait of Dover. Okay, so these are the important things that was in the current affair. So more probably they may ask any question from these, so please make a note. Thank you.